Hey everybody, this is David Gibson, and I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough on how to put information into the IADD ERD database. So the first thing you want to do is, after you get logged in, this was the screen that you'll see. You'll have a home button, a new well, my account, and log out. So just go ahead and click new well. And then what you're going to see here at the very beginning is the universal well ID, or your API number. So just go ahead and type that in. So if we were here in Texas, we say 4207. We're just going to put in some random numbers here, right? Now, if the operator that you're working for is existing, go ahead and select them. If it's a new operator, go ahead and type their name into the field. So we'll just stick with somebody that's already in here. Let's say Devin. Now, this is then going to give you the opportunity to pick the country at which the work is being done in. So we'll say it's being done in US. So we'll have to scroll down here. Next, we're going to select the region at which this is being done in. Now, all states have been added in here. So we can select, let's say it's here in Texas, and then the field is the Permian, right? Once that's done, then you'll be able to go on and put in the rest of the information. Now, if the region or field that you're looking to be able to put in there is not there, please email me, David at GibsonReports.com, for any new regions and or any new fields. This is done just so that we can keep the highest data integrity and a clean database. Then we'll go ahead and we'll put in here sample well 3H. We'll put in our spud date 02/10 of 2017. It was obviously this one was on land. If it's offshore, you can select jackup platform semi-sub. You can put in your water depth, measure depth, TVD. So on this one, like I said, we need to go back and put this one as land since it's in the Permian. We'll put in our measure depth was 5,600 feet. The TVD was 2,000. Now, if at any point, if you try to put something in here that is incorrect, once you go to hit create a well, it will notice that the TVD is greater than the measure depth, and it will give you an error there. So that will need to be checked. Maximum inclination, let's say this actually only got up to 89 degrees. Departure distance. Now we do have we're going to add in a little bit in here. We have a little write-up from Brandon Foster at Total Depth Unlimited about exactly how to measure your departure distance, but let's just say here, for the sake of it, it's 4,000. You put in whether it's wrapped or unwrapped. You can type in any additional comments here. Example for YouTube. Right? And just for the sake of showing you guys this, let's go ahead and put the 6,000 in there. So now if we hit create a well, it's still the TVD must not be greater than MD. Right? So we'll go back and change that. Oops, there we go. And then we hit create well. So then you can now review the well information, everything that you put in there. If you put in anything wrong, you can go back and edit and then hit create well. And now notice that the rig type I have as a single. That should have actually been a triple. And we can hit create well. Now everything is done. It says here offshore is false, so it's making sure that it's not an offshore well. Then we hit create well, and then we're all done, and that's it. All right, guys, if y'all need anything else, please be sure to reach out and let us know. Until then, thanks for watching.